Today, we want to take you on a journey to reflect on the power of a moment. How one moment can change everything.
Throughout history, we can see moments that have shaped the world. The first steps on the moon, the invention of the internet, or even a simple act of kindness that changed someone's life. But the most significant moment of all was the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ.
There was a moment a couple of thousand years ago that shaped our world forever. It was the death sentence of Jesus of Nazareth. A man who had done no wrong was condemned to die. But what seemed like the end was actually the beginning of something extraordinary.
Picture this. Jesus, an innocent man, is arrested, tried unfairly, beaten and nailed to a cross. The people who once cheered for him are now turning away. In that moment, it looked like all hope was lost. His friends were heartbroken. The world went dark.
But that moment was not a tragedy. It was what many believe to be the greatest act of love the world has ever seen. Jesus willingly took on the sins of the world so that people could be free from the weight of sin. That moment of sacrifice was world-changing, not just for those that were present, but for many people across the world, here and now.
3 days later, another moment changed everything. When some of Jesus' followers went to his tomb and they found the tomb empty and the stone rolled away. Jesus was alive. Death had been defeated. Hope was restored. The resurrection of Jesus is the foundation of the Christian faith, a moment that revealed God's love is stronger than anything, even death. Many people debate whether the resurrection really took place, but if this moment did happen, as many people and scholars believe, wouldn't this be good news? Wouldn't this be something to consider?
Each of us faces moments where we must choose how to respond. How do we react to significant moments in our own lives? Do we take time to reflect on their meaning? Easter invites us to consider one such moment, the resurrection of Jesus. Will we turn away? Or will we consider the significance of Jesus and what it might mean to us? It may mean nothing. Or it may be a moment where you can reflect or spark some critical thinking.
Before we end, take a moment to reflect on these questions.
What are some moments in your life that has changed you?
How does the Easter story challenge or encourage you today?
How can you share hope with those around you this Easter? Thank you for joining us in this time of reflection. We hope that this Easter you'll take time to consider the significance of this moment and reflect on what it means to you.
Have a blessed and joyful Easter.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.